I'm Ryan Rusink, and today we're at the Kinzenbaw collection. Come on along, let's go check some stuff out. So we're kind of here in front of what is probably one of the most famous 4440s on the planet. And this one belongs to John. And it came from the sale in Illinois. And I've always wanted to hear John tell the story, so this is kind of the bonus clip. So John, what can you tell us about this tractor and how you got it?
The old fellow that had it sold oil leases to one of the oil companies. And as a payment for his oil leases, he wanted a new line of machinery to farm with. So he had to get him these 4440s. He had 3 of them. Then he decided maybe he liked the idea of renting the farm ground out. So he parked the tractors in the shed. One of the tractors he used to help his renters farm, and he put 1,500 hours on it. The middle tractor he used helping out, hauling grain or whatever, and it had 500 hours on it. This tractor sat in the shed and only had 47 or 48 hours when it went on the sale. The group of people around it were quite intrigued with it being low-houred. I was in Florida that winter, so my friend Bill Diedrich bid it for me, bought it back for me, and I told him to buy the first one because the second one would cost almost as much, and it proved to be pretty close because the guys that didn't get the first one jumped on the second one, and it went crazy as far as price. So, but neither one of not one of the 3 tractors brought what they could have or should have. I think if I had to do over, I'd have had him buy all 3 of them, because today you could triple your money on any of them. And that's the story of the hydraulic cylinder was still hanging on the back of the cab. One of my guys was polishing it up when they brought it in here, and I caught him trying to take the wrapper off of the hydraulic cylinder. He thought he wanted it off of there, and it really is part of the value of it.
Yeah, part of the package kind of there.
Yep.
Just like the proverbial plastic on the seat, which is still on the seat with this one. And I see the owner's manual is still in the plastic, and yeah, this is probably about as close to a new 4440 as you could get.
Yeah, and it sat in the shed, so it didn't have any particular weathering problems.
Yep. And now it's on display, more or less permanently.
On display here. Quite a bit. We rotate different ones in.
Mm-hmm.
We've got International over here at 1206 around the corner, and we've also got an autonomous tractor that we built sitting here on display. So.
Oh, cool. Well, thank you for telling me the story. Yeah. This one was kind of for me. I wanted to hear this story from you. So thank you. I appreciate that. So that was just one piece of nearly 650 tractors in John's collection. Stay tuned. We got more coming.